If your system is also showing this much amount of space usage, and plus you can also see your system data is also showing too much amount of memory used. For example, in my case, it shows 107.61. Then in that case, you are at right video, because we are going to tell you how to clean up system data in your MacBook. And generally what happens is you would have cleaned up your documents, you would have deleted your applications, but still you would not be able to clean up your entire space on your MacBook. And that's the problem that we are going to resolve today. So let's get started with this particular video. If in case you feel any other issue or you face any other issue, please do comment down below. To start with, as you can see, this is my MacBook, which I bought, I think, approximately 6 years back or 5 years back. And you can easily see it's almost full. And trust me, I cleaned up approximately like 12 GB after deleting a lot of applications and a lot of important documents, because I was not able to clean up any more details out of it. And what you can see is when I was trying to analyze it further, and you would have also analyzed it further, you would see that applications is eating up 42 GB, whereas macOS is eating up approximately 38 GB, and system data itself is eating the most of the space, that is 107 GB. And that's the question that it would come in your mind, that why macOS is eating up less as compared to system data. And that's what we're gonna resolve today. So to start with, the step one is totally very easy. What you need to do is you need to go to your folder or Finder, and within Finder, you can see there are various folders on the left hand side. And if in case you don't know how to go to your usernames folder, then I will tell you how to go there. So as part of step one, you can go to Go, and in this, you need to go to folder. In Go to folder, you will see, or you can in fact write /users/your username or your username within this MacBook. So I entered Jens here, and I just put an enter here. So after putting an enter here, what you will see here is that there are multiple folders, and it is showing size only for the files, not for the folders. Now to resolve this issue, what we'll do is we'll go to view, and in view we'll go to show view options. Within this, you can see over here that you have an option called show library folder. Just click on this item, and after clicking on this item, what you need to do is you need to close this, and you just need to get inside library folder. Now within this library folder, you can see the sizes are coming against each and every folder. But in your case, you might don't find all these sizes appearing to be there by default. So to list down all the sizes of each and every folder, what you need to do is you need to again do Command J. And as part of Command J, you will see a pop-up. Within that pop-up, you will see there's an option called calculate all sizes. You just need to tick it up. So as you can see, when I disable this, all the sizes will go away. When I again click calculate all sizes, then all the sizes of each folder will come. And library is the actual folder wherein actually you have all your system data residing here. Now if you see, there are various folders which are sitting here, which you might not need as well. Now how to decide which all folders are not required? So there is no thumb rule which I can provide you, but by default, what you can clean it up easily, safely is you can go to application support, and within application support, you can see multiple application folders are here. There would be some applications which you would have deleted already and that you don't want now. So I will just again do Ctrl J so that I can see my options. So this is part of step 2 actually. So as part of step 2, you can see within the application support folder, I can see the sizes. When I click here, I can easily see there is a AutoCut folder, which is a tool, which is the application installed by me, which is downloading good amount of videos for me, and it is downloading in library folder, which is not getting cleaned up automatically. And hence you can see it's approximately eating 4.18 GB. Similarly, if you look over here, so we have Adobe folder, and if I go there in Adobe folder, you will find that there's a lot of things which are here which might not be required. So within this, you can see in Commons, you have some motion graphic templates which you might not need now, which are required to be deleted. And that's where you can clean couple of them. So it's not necessarily that your system will also have the same folders. You might only have Google's folder. Within that, you will find that Chrome is the one which is eating a lot more space than anything else. Just clean it up. Similarly, if in case there is something else, some other application which is eating up space, for example, in my case, it's local, I can delete it up. But remember, whatever data that you delete from here, the application, because this is the application data. So if in case you're not using that application, you can safely delete it. If in case you're using it, please do take a backup. And this is actually what is eating a lot more space than what you can think of. So for example, over here, it's a B-roll folder. I will just delete it. So as you can see, I just deleted and it will free up approximately 3 GB directly for me. See, it has gone from here automatically down to this place. So similarly, you can also clean it up and you will be able to clean up your system space, which is eating a lot of your memory without knowing. So if it looks good to you, if you are also able to clean up some space by yourself, then please do subscribe us. We'll meet you soon with another problem.